I'll meet you at 7-ish. The man was tallish. She was 40-ish. Maybe older? What do these expressions mean? Hi everybody, I'm Aliona at Cake English and I'm here to answer your questions. Today's question is, what does ish mean? A lot of English words naturally end in ish, but many native speakers also add the suffix ish in casual conversation to mean almost, approximately, somewhat, sort of. I'll teach you 2 ways to use ish. The first way is easy. Just add ish to the end of a word. For example, we can say, she was short-ish to mean that a girl is not very tall, but also not too short either. Or we can talk about a fruit being sour-ish if it tastes somewhat sour. We often use ish when talking about numbers to show that the numbers are not exact. We can say, I wake up at 8-ish every morning. Or, he weighs 200-ish pounds. We can also use ish completely on its own as its own word, and it means the same thing. Remember, this is very casual, so just use this between friends. Your friend could ask you, are you hungry? And you could simply reply with ish as short form of hungry-ish. That would mean that you're a little bit hungry. Isn't English fun? Repeat after me for some speaking practice. The movie had a happy-ish ending. The movie had a happy-ish ending. See you at 10-ish. See you at 10-ish. I was driving 90-ish kilometers per hour. I was driving 90-ish kilometers per hour. Do you understand how to use ish? Then let's try out a quiz. Are you tired? Yeah. Are you tired? Yeah, ish. How old is he? He looks. How old is he? He looks 20-ish. My hair is a red. My hair is a brownish red. Good job, everyone. So that's it for today. Remember to download the Cake app for free so you can find more videos just like this one. See you next time. Bye!